Chapter 37. Flowers. The human population within the dome has quadrupled in just 5 years since its inception, reaching an impressive 1 million residents by the summer of 2216 thanks to the abundance of favorable living conditions within it. However, this rapid growth poses a significant challenge as the resources within the dome, covering a small area of only 150 kilometers in diameter, can only sustain 1,150,000 individuals, a threshold that will soon be crossed. Thankfully, at the same time, a group of agricultural researchers has just finished a prototype artificial photosynthesizer, or AP, which can help boost the growth rate of crops exponentially by allowing cultivated plants to continue photosynthesis without sunlight, either in the shades, under bad weathers, or during the night. This innovation leads to accelerated plant growth, resulting in increased crop harvests and faster food production, alleviating concerns about food shortages and enabling the population to continue expanding. However, after 2 years of working without flaws, the machines begin to malfunction in late 2218, causing the plants to overpollinate without growing fruits or grains, which, after 3 months of continuous acceleration, leads to a pandemic of pollens where 84% of the dome's breathing air contains them and no one can breathe normally. Without the ability to either breathe fresh air within the dome or venture outside of it to avoid the pollution, humanity stands on the verge of dying out, either by direct suffocation or from the lethal complications of allergic reactions such as acute hay fever, thus urging everyone to scramble for a solution. While scientists fail, this time, a food tech company volunteers to use all of its resources to develop and distribute a GMO prototype from corn and rice, which can cause small genetic mutations in the human lungs upon consumption that enable them to better filter small particles in the air like pollens and dirt out of the respiratory system, thus making it possible to breathe in pollen-filled air. After a week of non-stop manufacturing and distributing the prototype, they have successfully equipped 100% of the remaining population with the ability to co-inhabit with the situation, after which they move on to make further modifications to the existing grains to help everyone feel full for longer with less food while awaiting a permanent solution against the crops not growing edible parts. Luckily, they do not have to wait for long, because in the end of 2219, scientists can finally tweak GMO technologies to create a vaccine for plants, which helps them recover their ability to grow fruits and grains in order to provide the human population with new crops again, thus extending the life of our species once more.